This is just a very quick video, and I've titled this Round Numbers because I want to show you some of the most common ones I see. Now, we've talked about this throughout this training program, but let me just show you quickly here. I've been watching GameStop, obviously, very, very closely, and you can see here on this particular wick, we hit 100.2, so literally exactly 100 million. We just touched it, and then what did price do immediately after? Fell all the way back down to 67, so literally fell a third, so like 33% from that high. Round numbers mean a lot when it comes to trading meme coins, and especially early on as well. So obviously we're getting them here later on, but let me show you some collections where early on we saw some significant ones. This is just a random collection I was watching earlier. It was called Cartman. Now, when you're doing that panic dip strategy, doesn't always work out and we don't always get massive runs. We have to see how the setup is. But notice that a lot of the time, if the market cap started somewhere and it was pumping 20, 30, 40,000, whatever, I see all the time it dropped to nearly exactly 10,000. And we always seem to get some sort of bounce from 10,000. I've seen that again and again. Look at this. This is just another random one I saw earlier. Look where it bounced here. Exactly 10,000. Didn't go very far this time. Went to 23 and then it died off after that. But it's round number, especially the ones I see, especially in these collections are 10K market cap, 50K, see all the time 50K. And obviously you've got your hundreds, 250, 500s and a million. So you've got the obvious ones as well, but 10K and 50K in the early ones, they honestly tend to be magnets. Let me just see, I've got some random pages open. Let me see if I can find any others. Here you go. Look at that. Literally a stone throw away from 50,000 exactly, and that was the top for this particular collection. May go back up there, may not, who knows? Literally 50,000. But remember, because you know it's 50, you're not selling at 50. You're taking some profits before, always before. Your transaction might not go through, people sell very quickly. You want to make sure 40, 43, 44, something like that, you're taking profits. You don't need to get it perfect or exact. You're taking some profits. Then we may break through, we may not, obviously, as you know. So that's a couple of examples, well, a few examples right there of the most important round numbers. So as you're going through, looking for new collections and setting up your trades as well, just always keep them in your back of your mind. It doesn't mean ever that they're exactly going to go there. And remember, we talk about previous support and resistance levels as well, which are obviously important for that particular collection. If that particular collection had a high of 30,000 and then came down and is building back up again, where that high is, you want to sell just before that. That's a level in itself, that previous high as well. So don't forget that one as well. Thanks for listening.